Welcome to today's lesson on multiplication tricks. Have you ever struggled with multiplying big numbers quickly? Do long calculations slow you down during exams? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you a powerful and simple trick to multiply numbers in seconds. Whether you're a student preparing for exams or just someone who loves quick mental math, this method will make calculations effortless. Stay with me till the end, because this trick is going to change the way you multiply forever. Let's get started. Multiplication can be tricky, especially when dealing with large numbers. Do you find yourself making mistakes or taking too long to solve problems? Traditional methods can be slow and confusing, but what if there was a faster and easier way to multiply numbers effortlessly? In this lesson, we'll break down multiplication into simple steps so you can solve problems quickly and accurately. Get ready, because you're about to learn an amazing shortcut that will make multiplication super easy. Now let's begin with our first method, two-digit multiplication. This trick will help you multiply two-digit numbers quickly and accurately. Take a look at the example given on the screen. We will break the multiplication into 3 simple steps to make it easier. First, we multiply the last digits. Then we cross-multiply the middle digits. And finally, we multiply the first digits. Step by step, we add everything together to get the final result. Let's go through this method in detail and see how it works. Now, let's apply the two-digit multiplication trick to a real example. We will solve 78 multiplied by 64 step by step. First, we multiply the last digits. 8 times 4 is 32. We write 2 and carry over 3. Next, we cross-multiply and add the middle digits. 8 times 6 is 48, and 7 times 4 is 28. Adding them gives 76. Now we add the carryover 3, making it 79. We write 9 and carry over 7. Finally, we multiply the first digits. 7 times 6 equals 42. Adding the carryover 7, we get 49. The final answer is 4,992. Just like that, we solved the problem quickly and easily using this trick. Now let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We discovered a simple trick to multiply two-digit numbers quickly. We solved real examples step by step, making complex multiplication easy, and we understood why this method works and how to use it in exams and daily life. With this technique, you can multiply faster than ever, impress your friends, and boost your math skills. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try this trick on your own and comment your answers below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shivansh the Study Guru for more amazing study hacks. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.